Actually, the search and rescue operations are going on. We are still continuing the search operations. Okay, but the at present the climate is also favoring us. So, but there may be chances for a heavy rain also.
Are you?
I'm very afraid to stay here. We don't know when the rain will come. Nothing will happen. So I'm very afraid. I feel we are not secured in this place. We can't sleep at night. Very afraid, and our heart is so much of shaking. So I'm very afraid.
So the scenario is yesterday we were getting severely injured people, but right now most of the thing is we are getting only bodies, dead bodies. Severely injured patients so far we haven't got much.
Are there any hopes of survivals?
That yet to know, because recently the military had formed a new bridge now, so the more rescue team will be going to the other side of the bridge. So hopefully we'll be expected.
across continents, one powerful news source.
Bringing you diverse perspectives on the issues that matter.
We go beyond the boundaries to give you that little extra about every sporting moment. So thank you for making Firstpost 5 million strong. We're counting on your support, and you can trust us to bring you the news unfiltered and unvarnished.
Climate change is on our doorstep. It's time for a revolution to take root. And it starts with 1.4 billion Indians. It starts with one tree. One tree for humanity. One tree for Mother Earth. One tree for our future. Project One Tree, a News 18 network initiative.
On the show today, the T20 World Cup Landslides has moved across to the West Indies. What can we expect from this?
Hello, I'm Alison Green, coming to you from Durban, South Africa. Today we have a special show.
Start with a report on India's shifting nuclear posture. The first time since India officially became a nuclear power.
Hello and welcome to Firstpost